This video shows how to compare server documents using Server Config Toolkit. This demo will show the process of finding differences between selected server documents and correcting those differences if needed. To start, create a new Compare Server Documents control document by going to the Server Documents, Compare Server Documents view and pressing the New button. Enter a title for this control document. The title entered here will be visible in the Compare Server Documents view. Select the Archive or Delete option to use. If you want to keep old Compare Server Documents results, select the Archive Results option. If you don't want to keep old results documents, select one of the Delete Results options. For this demo, I'm going to select the Archive option. Now I'm going to the Documents to Compare tab. The Address Book Server and Address Book fields will contain default values that were retrieved from the Server Config Toolkit configuration document. This is the address book that contains the server documents that will be compared. Select the primary server document. This is the server document that will be compared to other selected server documents. Now I'm going to select server documents to compare to the primary server document. I can select one server document to compare or multiple server documents. For this demo, I'm going to select a few server documents to compare. Now I'm going to the Fields to Compare tab. This tab will allow me to tell Server Config Toolkit which fields I want to include in the comparison. I can compare all fields, compare only selected fields, or compare all fields except the selected fields. For this demo, I'm going to compare all fields. Now I'll perform the compare by pressing the Compare Server Docs button. This process should only take a few seconds. Next, I'll press the View Results button to see the results of the server comparison. Now we can see the differences found between HelpSoft 1 and HelpSoft 2. Quite a few differences were found. Let's take a look at the first difference found, Allow Monitors. Since it's the actual field name, I may not know which field this is in the server document. I can select this document and press the Show Field in Doc button to see which field this is referring to. First, I'll look at the server document for HelpSoft 1. Server Config Toolkit will open the server document, locate the field, and highlight the field contents. This will work for fields that are not computed or hidden. Next, I'll look at the server document for HelpSoft 2. Since we're looking at the actual server document, you could change the server document right now if you wanted to. Another way to change server document values is to use the Copy Selected Values button. The value from document 1 can be copied to document 2 or vice versa. For this demo, I'm going to copy the value from document 1 to document 2. You can see that an arrow was added to the view to indicate that the value is copied. Now let's verify that the value was really copied by pressing the Show Field in Doc button again. Here we can see that the value is copied. There are some fields that will always be different and that we probably won't want to see in the results view. For example, the certificate field is not one that we need to see. Dollar revisions and dollar updated by are also fields that we know will be different. I'm going to show you how you can add these fields to the exclude list so they won't be shown in the results view the next time the comparison is performed. Just press the Add Field to List, Add Field Name to Exclude List button. You can see that a red X was added to the view indicating this field has been added to the exclude list. Now we'll open the control document to make sure those fields have been added to the exclude list. I'll press the Open Control Doc button. Go to the Fields to Compare tab and select the Exclude Selected Fields option. You can see that the excluded fields are in fact listed and will not be included in the next server document comparison. For more information on using Server Config Toolkit, please see the Server Config Toolkit documentation database.